who suffer a lot of hurt from the past because the relationship that you valued the most in life betrayed you. Somebody you trusted the most in life cheated you. Somebody really exploited your naivety and took advantage of you and went. Who here doesn't have some hurt of the past which even today makes you bleed within? However courageous, however strong you appear in the world outside, all of us carry some scars from the past where we believe some human being that you enormously trusted were not good to you, was not right to you. And we keep carrying this load, carrying this baggage, not realizing somebody who had already hurt you in the past from outside is now sitting inside and is continuing to hurt you. Throw them out. Anything in life that comes to your life should either stay with you, making you peaceful, or should leave you, leaving you peaceful, should never stay with you, keeping you disturbed. I repeat, anything in life that comes into your life should either stay with you, anything. It can be a relationship, it can be a toy. He's no more Leonardo Felice Biscaglia. There's one guy like that. He lived his entire life speaking about love. One day he finished the program in his early 70s, came back, took a beautiful piece of China painting. Those days China painting used to be expensive. He took it and in front of all his relatives, threw it on the floor and broke it. Everybody was stunned. In fact, they immediately got up and said, Felice, what did you do? He said, for 18 years it has been disturbing my peace. If it breaks, what happens? If it breaks, what happens? I'm seriously asking, why have something if it doesn't make you peaceful? Why will you have something? See, we all grew up in red oxide flooring and cement flooring, and we could drive, even cycle inside the house. I pity these children. You put Italian marble there. Don't walk! Don't keep that shoe outside. Don't climb. We had that wooden thing, grandfather's chair, that was still there. You could even climb on that and do. Now we have bought that Natusi sofa by paying 1.25 lakhs. The child even keeps the leg on the top. You say, there's no peace of mind now. You used to buy that third-hand BSA or rally cycle. Bell not required. When you come itself, others will know you are coming. One sound will come. And we enjoyed it so much. Now you have an Audi. And this fellow won't remove that plastic cover from the seat because it will get spoiled. It will become dirty. I will give you a better idea. You buy a plastic cover and cover yourself. If you have an expensive painting on the wall, it should give you peace. It should give you joy. It should give you celebration. It should not give you stress. It should give you tension. Anything that comes into your life should stay with you and contribute to your peace. Or it should leave you, leaving you peaceful. Don't keep it and keep losing your peace. And so is your past. If something about the past is still causing celebration in you, excitement in you, it should be part of you. Otherwise, let it go and liberate yourself. Somebody has already hurt you from outside and you continue to carry them inside, losing your peace. And how long will you do this? See, it's like this. This is just a simple plastic chair in my hand right now. And it's not even heavy. That's why I'm able to carry it. Checked all the chair and took this because it was light enough for me to lift. And if I continue to carry it for 5 more minutes, it will become a little heavy on me. If I continue to carry this for another half an hour, I will feel a little numbness in my elbow joint and shoulder. If I continue to carry this till tomorrow, I will need physiotherapy tomorrow to recover. A very simple chair right now, the longer I hold, the heavier it becomes. So is your past. Some hurt 10 years ago, 12 years ago, 3 months ago, day before yesterday. The longer you hold, the heavier it becomes. There's only one way to get rid of this unwanted weight I'm carrying. Drop it. And I'm free from it. And at some stage you will have to drop a past that you're carrying in your head, which is only getting heavier and heavier, not realizing those who caused that hurt to you, they are having a normal life. You are carrying them here and ruining yourself. Between the hater and the hated, it is always the hater who suffers more. Always.